All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. Durian. Durian. Here we are. Look at that. Durian, yeah. A smelly. Ooh. Smelly. Smelly. A smelly, sweet, green fruit from Southeast Asia. Maybe Southwest Asia, but definitely Asia. Yeah, this durian. Yeah, look at that. Durian. Yeah. Do you like durian? Well, let's change that. Well, I like durian. It is sweet. Yeah. They don't let you take durian on the underground. It is very smelly in public. Yeah. She can't stand durian. She can't stand durian. But he loves durian. So he loves durian. She can't stand durian. Yeah. It is a very strange fruit because it tastes very nice, but the smell is horrible. Whoa. Horrible. Ugh. Yeah. They bought a lot of durian. Now, I don't know why, but they bought a lot of durian. I don't know why. Yeah. I don't understand. I don't understand. Yeah. How cool is that? I have not bought durian in a long time. The last time I bought durian was in 2019. Easily 2019. Yeah. We are cooking with durian now. Why are you using durian in the recipe? Why are you using durian in the recipe? You don't need to use it. You don't need to use it. She will use the durian in the dessert. So there was a restaurant where I could get durian ice cream. Yeah, I should go there again. Yeah, I have not been there in around 1 year. It would be nice to go again. It would be nice to go again. Yeah, durian ice cream. Imagine that. Imagine that, ice cream. Very good. Imagine that, durian ice cream. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorer? So, can you use durian in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.